Dashing to day 9, let's see what's in store. I will stop, I'll just stop singing, I will. Hey everyone, this is Toys Unlocked, singer of Terrible Carols and opener of Advent Calendars. For those of you who are new, this is the Harry Potter Lego Advent Calendar, and today it looks like we're building a little table with a bottle on it, and I think this table will fit nicely beside the couch that we built yesterday. So let's get on to it. We have all this wood and not a single hammer or nail. What are you thinking, Lego? You're gonna make me rely on my own 2 hands to build this? Well, okay, I'll see what I can do. It seems simple enough even for someone like me who has very little experience swinging hammers. But I do have a modicum of experience building Lego, though I'm nowhere near as impressive as some of the people I see on Instagram and YouTube doing really, really cool things. I can't do cool things, but I can follow instructions, and it's pretty simple today to make this little table. It has like a lazy Susan in the middle, or something like that, some kind of display plate, and then next to it we'll put a little flower in the top of that bottle. I will place it in such a way that it looks like it's about to fall out of the bottle, because that's attractive. I should not be an interior designer. But I did place the egg there, and it looks pretty nice, and it looks good next to the couch as well. So there you have it. That's day 9. We'll put Harry there. I hope you'll join me tomorrow for day 10, and we can maybe build something a little more exciting than an end table. Bye, everyone!